Hello and welcome to our educational series on web tension control. My name is Connor and today we're going to talk about load cells. These specialized sensors measure and monitor the tension in materials like paper, plastic, metal, foil, and even composite tows as they move through your process. Let's break some down and get a better understanding of how they work. Here you can see a fully assembled load cell and what's inside. This part is called the beam, and on either side of it are two strain gauges. When tension is applied to the web, this beam acts like a diving board, flexing in the direction of force. This causes a slight deformation in the strain gauges, which produce an electrical signal processed by the controller amplifier and output as a tension output. These beams can be thicker to accept higher loads, or thinner to detect variations in smaller loads. Now let's talk about direction of force and why orientation and proper installation is so important. What is the direction of force? Simply put, the direction of force is the result of the web pulling on the sensing roller. The load direction arrow must point in the direction of force. Remember that the beam of the load cell is like a diving board. It's very good at sensing movement in this direction, but in this direction, at the thickest part of the beam is unable to deflect and produce a proportional output. To demonstrate this, I'll be using a pair of Montalvo ES series load cells with an M3200 amplifier and an M4 analog tension meter. The web is simulated by this strap, and tension is simulated using this 5-pound weight. Note the direction of force indicated by the sticker. This is incorrect as the force of tension is pulling this load cell straight down. Look at how much force I have to apply to get the tension signal to move in this direction. Now let's try it with the load cell in the correct position. See how easy it is for the tension load cell to pick up these changes? In a closed loop system that uses a controller and load cells, it's important to have your load cells oriented correctly to pick up changes in your web tension. If not, the controller can't adjust to what it can't see and tension issues are certain. Load cells come in many different shapes and sizes, allowing almost any machine to be retrofitted or rebuilt with tension control capabilities. There are a few things to consider when choosing a load cell for your web tension system. You need to consider factors like the material, the process, the type of tension control you're using, and the range of tension your materials need. Luckily, the tension control specialists at the Montalvo Corporation are ready to help you find exactly what you need. We are available through every step of the process, from sizing and design to on-site installation and service. So, if you're ready to improve your product quality, minimize waste, and boost your efficiency, give us a call today. Thanks for watching. This is the first in a series of educational videos about web tension control and Montalvo products. I'm Connor Makee, and I'll see you in the next one.